about how to fix or how to solve rotate on Shein. To know how to fix or how to solve rotate on Shein app, you should just go to settings. After that, you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list will enter to the window or to the app of Shein, and you can click here in this page. You will go here. Then you can click on first app and you can click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors or can delete your account. In the end, you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching. Goodbye.